Natural hair trends this year are all about one thing: effortless elegance. If you are tired of the tension of cornrows but want that same sleek, sculpted look, flat twists are your new best friend. They are faster, gentler on your edges, and incredibly versatile. To get that professional finish, start with clean, moisturized hair. This year, we are seeing a shift toward liquid shine finishes. Use a lightweight leave-in conditioner followed by a film-hold foaming mousse or a botanical gel. This gives you that crisp definition without the crunch. The key to a 2026 style flat twist is precision. Part your hair in clean sections. Asymmetrical parts are huge right now. Take 2 small strands at the front, and as you twist, keep your hands clean to the scalp, picking up just a tiny bit of hair each time. Remember, keep your tension consistent but not tight. This year, we are seeing creative finishes. You can even add a few gold cuffs or silk ribbons to elevate the look for an event. Flat twists are the ultimate protective style that actually lets your scalp breathe. So which flat twist style are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas. And if you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas. Thank you for watching.